Welcome. If you've ever watched a video on Facebook and later wished you could find it again, there's good news. With the latest update, Facebook makes it possible to see a history of the videos you've searched for, and it only takes a few clicks on your PC. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your actions, including things you've searched for, liked, and watched. Inside the Activity Log, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Scroll through the options until you find the section related to your activity. Look for videos you've searched for and click on it. This section shows a list of all the videos you've searched for on Facebook, organized by date. Now you can easily revisit anything you looked up before. Whether it was a tutorial, a funny clip, or something you meant to watch later, it's all stored here. If you want, you can also manage or clear your search history from this section. This update is especially useful if you often forget the names of videos or pages you've searched. Instead of trying to remember keywords, you can simply go back to your activity log and find everything in one place. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you have full access to your video search history on Facebook.